Roughing is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the removal of excess material from a workpiece to create a rough shape or form. This process is typically done using a cutting tool, such as a milling machine or lathe, and is often the first step in the manufacturing process. Roughing is important because it helps to reduce the amount of material that needs to be removed in subsequent operations, which can save time and money. During the roughing process, the cutting tool removes material from the workpiece in a series of passes. The goal is to remove as much material as possible while still leaving enough material for the final shape to be achieved in subsequent operations. This requires careful planning and precision, as removing too much material can result in a part that is too small or weak, while leaving too much material can make subsequent operations more difficult and time-consuming. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. As a leading provider of precision machining services, Berkness Company understands the importance of roughing in the manufacturing process. By using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques, they are able to remove excess material from workpieces quickly and efficiently, while maintaining the highest levels of quality and accuracy. If you are interested in learning more about roughing and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experts is always available to answer your questions and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. Whether you are looking for a single part or a large-scale production run, we have the experience and expertise to deliver the results you need. Contact us today to learn more. FAQs. 1. What is roughing in manufacturing? Roughing is a machining process that involves removing large amounts of material from a workpiece to create a rough shape or form. This process is typically done using a roughing end mill or a roughing cutter, which is designed to remove material quickly and efficiently. 2. What are the benefits of roughing in manufacturing? Roughing can help to reduce machining time and increase productivity by removing large amounts of material quickly. It can also help to extend the life of cutting tools by reducing the amount of wear and tear they experience during the machining process. Additionally, roughing can help to improve the surface finish of the final product by removing any surface imperfections or defects. 3. What are some common applications of roughing in manufacturing? Roughing is commonly used in a variety of manufacturing applications, including milling, turning, and drilling. It is often used to create rough shapes or forms for parts that will be finished later using more precise machining processes. Roughing is also commonly used in the production of large parts or components, such as those used in the aerospace or automotive industries. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.